Good afternoon. How you guys doing? My name is Robin and this is my channel. My unboxing for today is my selfie box. I found this box off of Jean's channel and I will leave her link below. This is the second box I have received. I loved this box. It is a skincare makeup box, but it has such great products in it. You want to see what's in it? Just give me 1 second. If you're new to my channel, thank you so much for stopping by. If you like this video and its content, please subscribe to my channel. Hit the notification button so that you get notified of my future videos, and a thumbs up if you like it. And if you're returning, you guys know how much I appreciate you. And to show my appreciation, don't forget, I will have a link above and below. I do have a appreciation giveaway going on, so don't forget to enter that. I believe that ends the 20th of the month. I don't even know what the date is today. So that's going to be winding up soon. And then I'm going to hopefully be doing a 4,500 subscriber giveaway once I reach that. So I'm packing up some items for that. So let's get into this box. I will leave the link and the price because I forgot. I think I paid like $20 for this box, and there's a coupon for like $5 off. So it's a really reasonable priced box. And for some reason, when this box comes, it's very hard. I don't know if it's the glue that just melts with the heat, but it's very hard to open this box. I know I have challenges opening boxes to begin with, but this one, it just takes all the energy I have. So I already opened it so you wouldn't see my struggles. And of course it has my little trail mix so people know where to find me. And what I like about this box is it has a card with all the items in it. And they do have an Instagram and a Facebook, and I will leave that below as well. It's always nice when boxes have all that. You can follow them, you can see what's going on with them. So I will put that aside, and it usually has 5 items in this box. The first item is Lip Revival. It's exfoliating, hydrating lip scrub, and it looks like it's by BH. I'll have to go to my trusty card as I drop things everywhere. Still dropping. And I think it must be this one. Okay, this is Beauty for Real Orange Spice Lip Revival, and it retails for $14. Essential part of any beauty ritual: cleanse, exfoliate, and condition lips with raw sugar and essential oils. The best part is that you can lick away any excess. Organic, vegan, cruelty-free, and paraben-free. Anything that I can lick off sounds good to me. So this is what it looks like. Very nice packaging. Oh, it does smell good. You can tell it's a scrub. I do have some lipstick on, but I had to put it through the taste test. No, it's not a food box. I just make it into one. So that is a really nice product. And that retails for $14. So that is like most of the box. The next product is Renew Scalp Therapy. Renew Scalp Therapy Exfoliate Numa Gommage du, okay, whatever language this is in, I'm gonna butcher it. And look at the nice bottle, and it must be for your hair. And let's check on that. This gentle exfoliator removes product buildup and reduces scalp irritation for all hair types using natural plant extracts like lavender stem and bay laurel leaf. Certified PETA, cruelty-free, Green Circle 100% wind power, vegan and gluten-free, and it retails for $26. Gosh, I never heard that before. 100% wind power, so that's pretty good. So these two products paid for the box. And we got this all wrapped up. Sorry, I hope you guys are having an awesome day. Ooh, this is pretty. Celia Essential Face Mist, Daily Moisturizing Spray with Snow Algae? Okay, I've so never heard of that before. How to use, close your eyes and spray. I'm gonna shake it up. I don't know if it's sealed, but, oop. Stuff. I must have two powerful hands because I can't get the cap off. Unless you're not supposed to twist, you're just supposed to pull. Oh, there we go. Okay, ready? Oh. Okay, no editing there. It smells good, but can you see the colors? I can see myself. So that is a really nice bottle. Just don't twist it, you just pull it. And that really smells good. This anti-aging and calming mist uses super powered snow algae. Comment below if you have ever heard of that product. Vitamin E, blueberry, elderberry, evening primrose, juniper berry, rosemary, and lavender to calm, hydrate, and refresh your skin. Cruelty, paraben, and sulfate free. And it retails for $23. And I must tell you, I can still smell how great that is. Wow. And then, Beautiful. I've received this before. It's Realer Full Volume Mascara. I am not going to use it. I do have a couple mascaras opened, so I will not be using this, but look at the packaging. So that's a really nice mascara. And let's read about that. Okie dokie. Italian made in the blackest of blacks with vitamin E and peptides to nourish and grow your lashes. This mascara provides a lash extending and volumizing effect. Cruelty and paraben free. And it retails for $18. So that is nice. And then there's one more item. And again, it's all wrapped up, so let's get that puppy out. looks like a pretty box. Oh, Galactic. I wonder if it's, I have something by them already, and I use that as well. And of course it's in a box, and I am going to be challenged. Oh, I can still smell that spray, and it smells awesome. Look at the packaging. Make sure I have it the right way. Packaging on there is so pretty. And this is a matte bronzer in the color Cabo. Oh, doesn't that sound like you want to just take a vacation? Okay. Wow. Can you see that, or is there a glare? I can see my finger in there. Wow, that is pretty. I have a, they're like a highlighter. It's split, and one side is like a light highlighter, and the other side is like almost a blusher highlighter. So since I'm going to keep this, I am going to try it. Okay, I don't know if you can see it because it's almost like the same spot. I put something else on, but let's see if I can put it on my face. If you can see that, it makes a difference. The packaging is super nice. I don't know, can you tell a difference? But I just love their packaging. Okay, and let's get the details. Galactic Matte Bronzer, and it retails for $26, and I believe that. Warm up your complexion with this natural looking tan bronzer that delivers instant warmth. Perfect for bronzing or sculpting. This matte bronzer is silky smooth and blends seamlessly. Vegan and cruelty free. I kind of like it. I mean, I don't have a brush to put it on everywhere. So this box is $52, $72, $75, $85, $90. So it's over $100, and I think it cost me like $20, 20-something dollars. So let me know what you thought of this box. We got the bronzer. We have the mascara. We have this beautiful spray that I can still smell. We have the scalp and the nummy lip. So let me know what you thought of it. I thought it was fun. This was the second box that I received, and I think I'm gonna try a third box. So as always, you guys have an awesome day.